a garage in the garage with this junk. I got back from that road trip like a week and a half ago, and then I got sick, so I haven't done a whole lot. I did pull all the foam out of the fuel tank. Yeah, that might be part of the problem. Try and do this one-handed. Yeah. There's your problem. Both of them. There's a lot of junk in there. And I got the best radiator that Amazon had to offer. So I want to try and get that in there, even though the weather's cooling off. And I got some new burners. Because there's Burnout Nationals in New York this weekend. 5-hour drive. Why not? I didn't build this as a burnout car, but it does good burnouts. So road trips and burnouts. Some kind of 4-core aluminum Chinese something made for a 4th gen F body, because that's what I have and that's what the fans fit. I do know there's some stupid stuff I don't need, like this and this. And I'm pretty sure the one I got now, pretty sure it's for a V6, because it doesn't have those extra little things. So I'm gonna see if we can swap that out. One core versus a 4-core. Cap that off. This one's definitely like a V6 manual trans, because it doesn't have both of those fittings. And it has a steam port for an LS. The first one of these I had that, but that was capped. Anyways, I don't even know what that's for, but the reason I still got the F body one, even though I don't need that, is the fan fits right on, and I don't have to change any hoses, and hopefully it still just fits. So I was able to still just mount it kind of the same. It ain't going anywhere. Just my overflow's a little grumpy against that thing. I could probably get like a 8th MPT, like 45 barb or something. Who knows? We're just gonna ignore that because it's fine. on my cardboard anymore. I fixed this stupid thing with just some scraps of bolts and stuff, and definitely not a piece of schedule conduit like the rest of the car. As far as like ticking and the engine, we're not doing anything. I did lose power steering like 2 months ago. Did that whole trip with no power steering, but it's fine. You know, you can spin burnouts without power steering. Because when you go full lock and cut the wheel, the tire hits the sway bar anyways. So it just skirt locks it up. So I got this in, filled up. It's not leaking. Like a day later. Still haven't ran it. Still haven't tested it. I still haven't gotten the air bubbles out. I did get little itty bitty baby burnout tires on these wheels. And just gonna jump in it tomorrow and drive 5 hours to the Burnout Nationals. What can go wrong? And then this might be done for the year. It has to relinquish its spot in the garage because I got stuff I gotta do. A little 7 1/4 Mopar rear end is going bye-bye. And then I got just stuff I gotta do. So I just had to reapproach this because this stupid fitting that I don't need, I just had like an expandable freeze plug in there and it shot right out. So now there's an expandable freeze plug and a hose with a plug. I mean, let's just add failure points. I don't know what heater, hose, whatever goes on there on a 2000 Camaro, but I can't find it. So thermostat's open. It's sitting like 195. Probably let it run for a little while, make sure it stays good. Well, it's been idling probably like 20-30 minutes. I'll load it up. It's not leaking. It's not getting over 200. Be ready to go tomorrow. So it's Saturday, the day it was supposed to be Burnout Nationals, and they canceled it due to rain. I don't know. I don't know what it's doing in New York. So that's not happening. But my friend Eric, with the LS swapped rear wheel drive Beretta I was with at LS Fest, he lives in New York. And next weekend, he's going to the drag strip to see what his Beretta will do. And I've honestly never been on a track with anything. So instead of going to New York this weekend to do burnouts, I might go to New York next weekend, do a little quarter mile, which means this thing needs to pass tech. I don't know how strict they are. I don't know what the deal is. The Lexan front window should be fine. I have no side windows, but I do have a window net. I got the battery shut off on the back. It's not going quicker than 1150, so I shouldn't need too much stuff. The only thing I know of is probably this rubber fuel line has got to go. So I got the stuff. You know, the best of the best that the Amazon has to offer.
A few moments later.
It's way too nice for this car. But it's all under there. Actual AN, all the nice fittings and stuff. I guess we'll see if it leaks. Easy, like $45 in line, and I had leftover fittings, so. I'm wondering how good 20-year-old circle track slicks will do on a drag strip. Anyways, probably just run the street tires. That's it for this little update in Gifted Garage. Next video will maybe be at the drag strip. Who knows? Maybe, hey man, I gotta go do some burnout somewhere too. I don't know. I gotta do stuff with other stuff. I don't know, but that's it. Thanks for watching. See ya.